Hello students. Today we are going to see Standard 7th Value Education Chapter 4 Discrimination between the good and bad. So all we are aware about that all human beings are born equal, okay, and have a same dignity and rights. Only the things the equality and indiscriminations can help the people world around to live in harmony and peace. There is no difference in people from all over the world, like people from different countries, Chinese, Indian, Japanese, or American, people from different skins color like white and black, people from different religions like Buddhist, Sikh, and a Christian or Hindu. So today we are going to see one story related to the discrimination between the good and the bad. So here there are two parrots who had built their nest on the banyan tree, which we can see over here. The female parrot laid two eggs in the nest. After some time, the eggs hatch. So two chicks came out of them. The parent bird took good care of them. After a few weeks, the young bird were able to fly a short distance, not too high, short distance. The father bird said, we have taken good care of our young ones. We have fed them well too. They have played together. They have learned to fly. Now they can take care of themselves. So let us slowly leave them to decide on their own. So what happened after that? Every morning, the parent birds flew out of the fetch to find out the food for the young birds. Then they return in the evening with food for their young children. So this is how their lives went on for a while. So one hunter observed this behavior of these birds. He learned that the old bird went out in the morning. It means parent bird went out in the morning, and he decided to catch the young birds after the old bird would go away in the morning. So as planned, he caught the young birds. The young bird struggled their best to free themselves from the clutches of the hunter. So one of the two birds escaped from the hunter. So then the other bird was taken in a cage by the hunter to his house. Okay. After that, what happened? I caught two birds. The hunter was telling that, but I lost one parrot, said the hunter to his children. And he further added to his children that keep this parrot safely in the cage and play with this parrot. So the hunter's children played with the parrot. Very soon, the parrot in the house of the hunter learned to speak a few words. So the children said to their father, Dad, our parrot has learned to say a few words. So the other parrot flew away. It had escaped from the hunter. It flew for some time. Then it came to a hermitage. So some holy men lived in the hermitage. Okay, so they did not do any harm to the young parrot. So the young parrot stayed there. It listened to their talk, to their work. It learned, that parrot learned to say a few words. So a certain traveler was walking near the hunter's hut. That time he was very tired. He sat near the hut. Okay, so he heard the parrot speak and it said, Full, why have you come here? I'll cut your throat. Okay, so the traveler was very sorry to hear such a bad words. Then he got up very immediately and he left the place in a hurry because after hearing this thing. So then he walked for some time and reached the hermitage. So the parrot was sitting on a tree near the hermitage. So the parrot spoke, Welcome, welcome, traveler. So, welcome to this hermitage. So, we have a lot of good fruits in this forest. Eat whatever you like. The holy man will treat you well. So, the traveler was surprised. Why? Because he said to the parrot, I met a young parrot near a hunter's hut. It spoke very badly with me. So, I left the place immediately. Now I have met you. You speak so well. So your words are kind and gentle. So both you and other bird are parrots. So then why is there a difference in a language? So by this statement, the parrot in the hermitage guessed that the other parrot was none other than its brother. So the hermitage parrot said, Traveler, the other parrot is my brother, but we have lived in two different places. My brother has learned the hunter's language, but I have learned the language of a holy people. So it is the company that shapes your words and deeds. So, what we learned today, the moral of the lesson is no two human beings are alike. Some are rich and some are very poor. Some are beautiful while some are not. But each person is very special. Even though we are all different in some ways, so we are equal as a human beings. It does not matter that if we are different from each other or think differently from others. So we should show respect and tolerance towards other people's point of view. So differences may be in the food that we eat, which differs from a place to place, the skin color, our caste, religion, the language and customs, or our dressing styles and clothes. So the way one looks, lives may be a varying from a place to place, country to country and region to region. So instead the only way to live in a peace is to show brotherhood towards one and all. So learn to respect differences, become more caring and loving. So this helps us to live in a peace and harmony with others. Thank you.